Congratulations on purchasing your Riccar Clean Air Deluxe Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar. Let's check out what's in the box in the Riccar R27D. The first thing you see when you open the box is the main vacuum unit. The handle and cord assembly, the natural bristle dusting brush and upholstery tool, the crevice tool, the telescoping aluminum wand, the hose assembly, and the owner's manual. Now that we've seen what's in the box, let's go ahead and put together our Riccar Clean Air Deluxe Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The main vacuum unit is going to have a screw right here that we're gonna have to put in the back. That screw holds the handle assembly in place. So we're gonna take and put our handle snug down into the bottom of there. Gonna need a screwdriver. By the way, this is the only tool and the only time you're gonna need a tool to put this vacuum together. It's really easy together. Everything else just snaps into place. So now that we've got that done, right here is a sleeve that the crevice tool sits in. Since we have that side open up, we're gonna go ahead and put the hose, 2 little tabs, they just snap into place right there. This comes up here and goes over the top. Now our wand is going to click together right here. You'll hear a little snap, and then you go ahead and put it into place right there. Last piece, the natural bristle dusting brush and upholstery tool sits right here. Our cord will wrap around here up to this quick cord release here. And now, from box to floor, we're ready to use our Riccar vacuum. Happy vacuuming.